Bro, bro, hey, you, everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great and I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Firstly, I want to say congratulations to Jamal Roberts for winning America's Idol. That guy is naturally amazing. He is just too good. Alright, his voice is just a golden voice. Very good artist, outstanding artist, and he has displayed himself professionally. So, people, I've encountered this comment by Aquanet Godson. She said, "Sir, please listen to him sing the song Heal. It will utterly blow your mind." Alright, I do like songs that blow my mind away. Alright, I do love those music, and that is the reason why I'm listening to this type of music, because I do like my mind being blown away. As much as I'm a Jamaican, I do listen to reggae and dancehall. That is our Jamaican diaspora of music. But I do go to places apart from my country, far away land, just to hear other people sing, and that is the reason why I've encountered Jamal. So we're gonna react to Heal by Jamal Roberts. So, with this being said, let's see what's up.
Take my mind and take my pain.
Hey, you see, this guy will reach far. His talent will carry him far. He's too good. He's too flipping good. Just his voice alone gives you the chills. Just his voice alone, bro. Just imagine you're there personally around him while he's singing. You'll be blown away, bro. Like, you'll be just in the sky floating just by his voice.
Like an empty bottle takes the rain and heal.
Oh, bro. Yo, this guy is too good. His voice is such a golden voice, bro. Alright, there's so much singers out there in the world that I haven't encountered. And thanks be to God, bro. I've encountered this guy. And trust me, I've never regretted encountering him. Alright? He's one in a billion, bro. It's just unbelievable, bro. Just to listen to this guy sing, man. It's unbelievable that there's such a guy out there in the world that I'm just getting a chance to react to. And his music is sounding so good, bro. His voice is sounding so good, bro. Wow. Wow, bro. Wow, you're the man, G. You're the man.
Heal, heal, and tell me something's last, and tell me something last.
Oh my God, bro. Whoa. Whoa. Terrific. Absolutely terrific. This is an outstanding job. This is an outstanding talent. When you speak about vocals, when you speak about great talent, when you speak about reaching far, bro, this guy have to be in the mix. This guy have to be making the headlines. Because there's no freaking way. His voice is so magical, bro. Like, there's so much people out there who sings, man. Like, they sing. But much of them isn't close enough to reach this guy's level. This is natural talent with just only a piano in the background playing, bro. His voice is such a golden voice. Jamal, you are a superstar, bro. You should keep up the good work, man. Job like these, man, doesn't come easily. It doesn't.
And tell me something. Tell me something less. Because something less. We need you. We need you to heal you. You don't.
Bro, you know, healing is a very important thing, man. Very important thing. You know, after we are broken, the world is so broken. You know, people are just dying like crazy, bro. And I'm thankful that I'm here today. You know, but sometimes, bro, we have to take a step back and, you know, to heal, right? To regurgitate our energy, right? Because, you know, process like healing takes time. We need to heal. We need to ask God to protect us, bro, to give us the strength that we go to our daily basis, day by day, right? Because things are just so easily happening, right? It doesn't take a snap of a finger for you to just die, bro. Like, everything is just so sad these days, bro, and it's a technological era, bro. But, bro, trust me, this guy is a natural born superstar. His voice is just a gold, man. It's like his voice is just a priceless gem to be purchased. His voice cannot be purchased, bro. Wow!
One that can do it. You're the only one that can heal. So please. So heal right now. From depression. From suicidal thoughts. Lord, we need you. Yeah. From sickness. We need you. Yeah. Restoration right now.
Guys, you know, just yesterday, I had a friend, and he's always here on my location because, you know, I'm here at work. I saw that guy daily, and he normally comes by. We'd have a little talk, you know, about life because he's an elder. He could have been my father, bro. And to find out that they found him dead, bro. And I could not even get the chance to say, bro, thank you so much for everything, man. He's such a kind guy. He's such a kind guy, bro. Just a kind gentleman. He's an elder, bro. He's like, he could have been my father, my grandfather. And they found him in his house dead, bro. Like, that man never told me anything about being sick or having an illness. Nothing like that. And they found him dead, bro. I break down, bro. And I'm here just trying to heal from all that pain, bro, because it's very painful to know that you won't see that man again, bro. I won't see that man again. And I haven't get the chance to tell him thanks for everything. He's such a kind man. Bro, things is just so fast these days. Like, nothing at all isn't going slow. In a snap of a finger, just like that, everything just stops, bro. Like, time just frozen there, right? And I have to say, man, just be there for your loved ones, whether a friend, whether a family member, whether a neighbor. A friendship, relationship isn't needed there, bro. Like, just be there. Because when the time comes for that person to leave this earth, there won't be a second chance to see that person again. So do not take things for granted, because when you take things for granted, that's what happened.
He's the only one that can do it.
extravagant performance, extravagant message, superb song, a very heartwarming song. You know, song like this touches my soul, bro. You know, everything just take time in life, bro. To heal, it takes a process. For things to grow, it's a process. For you to grow, it's a process. To break from a spell, it's a process. Everything in life just take time. Nothing in life happen as it should that quickly. Because there's a process you have to be passing through for you to accomplish that process. So in order for this to go, bro, it have to heal first. All right, it have to be well. All right, so if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to subscribe, leave a like on this video. I'll be now reacting to some more Jamal Roberts because he's a very excellent artist. And for this, bro, big up yourself, Jamal. Love from Jamaica, dog. Right, so I'll see you guys in another video.